Today we are going to talk about this, and this. So without wasting much time, let's start with Dogs Airdrop. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Dogs Airdrop and when it's going to be listed. So without wasting much time, I'm going to start with Dogs Airdrop, and these three airdrops that I've shown you, I'm going to talk about it in details and when it's going to be listed. As you can see my account here, I have account H is 2,278. Why I was being given this this amount of dogs is because of how long I've been on Telegram. The how old is my account. That is why I was being able to receive these 2,278 dogs. And if you come down here, I've been able to invite some people. As you can see, my total invite here is 252 dogs. Let me click on friends here to show you. I've actually invited 6 friends. For each friend you invited, you will be given 42 dogs. So that's just it. Then let me come to home here again. So every time you log into this mini app, docs mini app on Telegram, you are going to receive 1,000 docs every daily check-in, as you can see below here. See it here. Then if you connect your wallet, you are going to receive 1,000 docs. And let me take you to a very excited moment right now. I have a good news for you. As you can see on gate.io here, docs is going to be listed in less than 5 days time. Yeah, less than 5 days time. So I will drop the link of the airdrop in my video description and also on the comment section, so you go and register yourself. The happiest thing is that you don't need to tap farm or do any other thing. What you just need to do is to log in daily and receive 1,000 docs every day. If you be able to log in, like let me say, before, in 4 days time, you will receive 4,000 docs or more than that. And according to what I've been seeing online, I think the price of dog is going to be around 0.02 day by. Then if you calculate 0.02 times your actual amount of coin you will have, and you will see the potential profit you are going to make. So that is just about dogs. And let me take you to another platform where the pre-market is ongoing. If you log into your Bitgate and go to your pre-market, you will see dogs is actually listed on pre-market. What is this actually pre-market? Pre-market give you, let me say, it give you insight of newly airdrops that is, or newly cryptocurrency that is coming on board. So if you can see, look at the price here on Bitgate. Definitely this is pre-market, but before it gets listed, I assure you that this price will be, let me say, 2 times higher than this. Okay, and you are going to make money from this airdrop. So don't take this airdrop for granted. Just go and click on the link on my video description and get started with it. Okay, before I move further, please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, please don't forget to like and turn on the notification button, because you will be getting notified anytime I drop new updates like this. Okay, so this is just about dogs. So let's move to another airdrop known as Cartizen. Here is Cartizen. Cartizen is a very good airdrop that will make you tons of money. So if you are taking this Cartizen serious, please take it serious. It's going to pay very well. I know a lot of us are actually angry with what Pixel First has done, but don't panic. It's not, in this life you don't expect everything to go the same way you want. So but with other action, with other airdrops, you might be able to make money with it. Okay, so don't panic. So this is Cartizen. Binance has actually talked about this and they have invested in this coin so much. So you need to go and start doing it. I'll also leave the link in the video description for you to do it. Let me tell you to some platforms where Cartizen is already taking place in the pre-market, so you know that they are coming to stay. As you can see on Bitgate here, Cartizen is actually listed on pre-market here on Bitgate. So you can see the price here, but I'm assured that when it's going to be listed, that the price is going to go up higher than this. So this is the current price here in the pre-market. You can see, don't joke with dogs, don't joke with Cartizen. I'm going to take you to another airdrop that is going to be launched this that is going to be listed this month too. Before I move to another airdrop that is going to be listed this month, if you log into your gate.io, you will see that Cartizen is also operating on pre-market trading right now on gate.io, and you can see the price the same as the one I showed you on Bitgate. So you can see, let me click on amount, let me click on field here means trade that has been completed. So you can see people are buying, people are buying, people are buying, or people are also selling. So Cartizen is going to be listed very soon. So you don't need to joke with it. So that is it. Let me take you to another airdrop known as Avacoin. Another airdrop that is going to be listed very soon, like 30th of this month. You can see Avacoin, and I did not actually know about this airdrop on time, so I went in this airdrop lately, but I've been able to accumulate this amount you are seeing on top. I know it's very small compared to what others are having, because I did not hear about it. So, and why how do I get to have these 334 Avacoins? You not just come to tax where you see tax, you just click on here and complete this tax, and you will be receiving some reward of it. Like if you follow them on their Instagram, you are going to receive 4 Avacoin. If you follow them on X, or that is Twitter, or YouTube channel, you are going to be given some Avacoin. So I've been able to complete some tasks. That's why you are seeing my balance on top. So without wasting more time, I'm going to take you to their official platform, and you actually going to see it for yourself what they have said about their listing date. So as you can see on their official platform, they have about 3.8 million subscribers here, and you can see what they have said. The Ava coin token has been launched on the Ton blockchain. We are excited to support, develop, and be part of the Ton ecosystem. Only 7 days left until the listing. Don't miss out on participating in all available contests to get more tokens. Very soon, we will start sharing more about the necessary steps to receive the token drop and the exchanges where we will be listed on July 30th. So you can see July 30th, they are going to list their coin, and they are going to tell you what you need to do to receive the airdrop. So that is it. So you can see. So I will also leave the link of this Alpha coin in my video description, so you go and check out for yourself, and maybe actually do the tax. The tax, they are not hard, so simple to do, and you receive some rewards. Okay, so that is for today. So if you like this kind of content, please do well to subscribe and share my videos. Thank you. Give it a like, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be receiving updates like this.